turn around and just turn left and just pit stop right here because we need to find out what's that way.
Oh my God.
Hey, Yummy. You know what time it is?
It's adventure time, baby!
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Chase and Yummy adventure season. I am Chase.
And I'm Yummy.
Guys, this is the show where we ride around on our supermotos and try to have an adventure because friendship. And if it wasn't for a couple sponsors, we wouldn't have been able to do this season. Yummy, who is this season sponsored by?
Those sponsors being Revzilla, Senna, and Rock.
Ta-da! Without those sponsors, guys, we would not be able to have a motorcycle, have communication, or anything like that. So, if you want to check out any of the gear we have on, or these Bluetooth devices that allow us to talk together, or these really dope helmets that look cool, all those links are going to be down in the description. Without further ado, we got some stupid shit to get to, so let's get into the episode. Let's do it! Yay, friendship!
Alright, so here's my suggestion.
Can we just mention, if you guys are watching this video and you like the Berserkers and you want to do the face mount, me and Yummy have realized that the way to get good ventilation is you just pop the lens off because so if you look at me, this locks the lens on and this bitch is magnet, so
boom.
And then
and that's only a thing if you have a GoPro mounted.
Typically this is what people do.
Yep.
But we can't do that. But this is a quick ass workaround. The only thing that sucks is your lens has to like sit on your bike somewhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just don't pay attention to me. I'm just
sticking your dick in the bike. Yep, go ahead. Good job. You got it in quicker that time.
I think our best bet is that way.
I agree.
Okay, so we go that way. Let me get my dragon hands on. Dude, I'm going green today. We're in like the high 40s.
I have mine on red just because I'm full send. I'm just gonna send it. Alright, we're in the middle of nowhere. You know how you know you're in the middle of nowhere? Because you got a $1 general! Hey!
That is entirely not true. Dude, we're back on the road we were on like 2 seconds ago. Before we tried to do the power lines. Yeah, this is that road.
How?
I don't know. Look, you're going to pass those houses up here.
Oh, no. What the fuck? I'm so confused right now. It's not even funny.
Yeah, because Whit's in. I don't like this. I don't like this area.
How did we just do a circle? But we never turned.
Alright, so we're on operation. Oh, look, there's a water tower, so that might mean civilization. We're on this is the search for civilization.
Yeah, we are trying to find our way home.
Our only goal was to go to the abandoned war zone, and then we get sketched out, and it's like, I don't know what to do now.
Well, I was hoping the abandoned war zone and maybe it had been completely abandoned, but it's more or less been vandalized by... You smell that? Smells like someone's smoking some beef.
Dude, it looked like a treehouse was on fire.
That was probably a smokehouse.
Oh, dude, what about... Wait, what?
Civilization! Maybe.
A Domino's in a gas station? What?
Listen, that's more than
what do you have in Brunswick that makes you think that is civilization? Oh, you're going to proceed to haul ass. Full throttle goes nowhere. Hey, you're a police officer. Can you do that thing where you like lick your finger and poke it in the sky and tell stuff? You know what I'm talking about? Or is that Boy Scouts? Might be Boy Scouts.
You are a little idiot! I'm going to push you into traffic. How does that have anything to do with being a police officer?
I don't know. You guys need to know, like, special survival shit.
You're just finding a reason to say it's got something to do with a police officer. That makes no sense at all.
A police officer. Look. If I was in a zombie survival situation, I would expect a police officer to have information.
If you were in a zombie survival situation, I'm pretty sure everyone would agree on both channels that you would be dead very quickly.
True, but look, okay, here's our options, Yums. We got a Lotus to the front, we got a Walnut Grove, and we got Grayson this way.
Is that a Lotus? Is it an Evora?
Oh my god, is it a police officer guy driving it?
Is that a Lotus? Yeah, I think it is.
You want to follow him and ask him?
We gotta go left.
We gotta go left?
Yeah, we gotta back up. Is there someone behind me? Oh yeah, there is. Fuck. Okay, let's go up here and then turn. I think, is that, I can't tell what that is, dude.
Oh my God. How many, raise your hand if you care. You don't even care. You don't even care.
Shut up, Mister. Hey, can you lick your finger and put it up in a police officer?
Hey, if you ever are in a survival situation, now you know how to direct yourself. Go.
Wait, I gotta see what it is.
What are you driving?
It is an Ebola. How about it? I'm good.
Oh my God, illegal U-turn.
No, it's not.
What kind of police officer are you?
Oh my God.
You don't even know the law. I bet you
know
can tell
about as
everybody.
much about the law that you do about wildlife. That's
You
about
have
how
been
much you know
telling
about the
everybody
law.
you're a big police officer. I bet you're not
You're
even a
retarded.
cop. I
You're
bet you've
literally
been
an
lying
idiot.
to everybody.
You're literally
You're
an
probably a janitor.
You caught
You're
me.
a janitor that wears a vest, and you bought these little police book bag things with your little water holster.
I didn't buy that.
Was it given to me? Because you're lying about being a police officer.
Nope, it was given to me in fan mail.
Hashtag police lies in the comments, fam. Wait, I think I'm trying to turn in the wrong direction.
Channel. Oh wait, what channel?
You do not. Also, what channel? I got you back on my own dismay.
Stop, dick.
No, I'm gonna shift gears on your own bike with mine. No. God damn it! You've ruined my motorcycle now.
What else is there to ruin? You're
Wait,
you don't have brake lights.
Hold on, did the person behind us honk at us?
No, I think that was your horn.
Oh, cool. Just making sure. I was about to get mad. I was about to do the motorcyclist thing.
Okay, so we're in Loganville. Do you know where that is?
No, but it said the Walnut Grove was this way, and I feel deprived because I don't think it is.
Loganville Plaza. All right, who lives in Loganville? We need directions. How the hell do we get out of your tiny little town?
You probably don't remember how videos work because you don't make YouTube videos, but you have to edit the video and then post it, and that's when people can comment.
Right.
It's easy to get confused. This is not live.
Yeah, I forget. Yeah, I forget.
It's not like your little. It's not like your little Twitch stream.
Correct. Yeah, I forget sometimes, man.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You know. All right, what road is this?
This is SR...
Use your police site.
I don't know. I can't. It's blocked. Whoa, my bike turned off. Oh, you put my kickstand up. What a guy. What a guy. I don't know what this road is. I can't see it.
Don't you have to have like really good sight to be a police officer?
Yeah, you don't have fucking X-ray vision,
Another
you
reason
dumbass.
you're not a police officer.
I can't wait to read the comments of everybody being like, when is Chase going to shut the fuck up about mentioning police officer?
Hopefully it's on my channel.
Literally, that's all they're going to be. Hey, that guy has an Instagram name. We should see it.
Oh, let's look at it and get everybody to go check him out. Oh, no, slow down. We're trying to promote you. I'm going to get him. Find him. Oh my God, he's evading police. Okay, now we have a playground.
Oh my God, it's another track.
We can go there. Oh, wait,
God.
around the
Oh God.
Oh, hold
it's
on.
Around.
That's normal. Bitch, that is not
what a hoe.
Oh, we do have houses. Okay. Are you kidding me again, dude? Again.
Dude, there's so many non-developed places around here. It's insane.
Oh my God, dude, there's a mountaintop. Oh. We did it. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row, we found an entirely abandoned area. Oh my goodness. Wait, we gotta go this way for full scout.
What?
We gotta do full scout. We have to know our escape plan, dude.
All right. Are you ready to figure out what's on this? Let's figure it out. Oh my God, look at...
Dude.
Holy Toledo's.
This is pretty cool.
Holy freaking
We might,
barnacles,
hold on,
dude.
let's turn around and let's turn left and just pit stop right here because we need to find out what's that way.
Oh my God.
Hey, Yummy, you know what time it is?
It's adventure time, baby!
We'll see you guys on the next one where we go that way.
I'm in danger. Wow, what a cliffhanger! If there even is one.
There should be if we did our job correctly. Guys, that is the end of the episode. If you want to watch more of it, we will have a playlist for the Chase and Yummy series down below. that is the best way to not miss a single one of the shenanigans that we get into. If you
You
enjoy this
literally
video,
have so much content that you could watch. You could watch it for an entire weekend of not working.
absolutely. So if you enjoyed this video, also do the YouTube thing and hit that like button, and make sure to be subscribed to Yummi and my channel, Chaseontwowheels. All of the info will be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Later!